You like games, don't you? Play-to-earn games are a new and exciting way to be rewarded for your time. With P2E, you earn crypto by playing, and can then use it to purchase items and upgrades. With P2E, you can get items that would normally cost you real money, or sell them on the marketplace. In this video, we are going to review top 5 play-to-earn games. Before that, if you are interested in crypto-related projects, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Do you know what are blockchain games? Blockchain games are games that use blockchain technology to store game assets and distribute rewards to their players, either through cryptocurrency or through NFT rewards. Some blockchain games require the player to own a specific NFT or to hold a specific cryptocurrency in order to play the game, while others are free to play to anyone. Play-to-earn games are a new type of game that rewards players for their time and effort spent in the game. These games offer a unique way for players to be rewarded for their in-game activity. This reward can be in the form of crypto, a non-fungible token, NFT, or an increase in value to a player's existing NFT. Some P2E games will require an initial investment, while others are free to play. Here are our picks for the best play-to-earn games. The Sandbox. The Sandbox is an interconnected world of unique game experiences. With land plots of varying sizes, each landowner can build their own creations using a visual game builder. The Sandbox is still in alpha testing, but if you're interested in play-to-earn games, this should definitely be on your radar. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is the most important game developed on a blockchain thus far. The game focuses on breeding, collecting, and battling creatures named Axies and using them to explore the world of Lunacia. At its peak, the marketplace was making millions in sales every day, and Axies were selling for thousands of dollars each. Splinterlands. Splinterlands is a play-to-earn trading card game that plays in a browser. It started on the Steam blockchain as Steaminsters, but eventually switched to the Hive blockchain. Thanks to cross-chain functionality, cards and tokens can also be traded on the Ethereum blockchain and on Wax. Splinterlands now has a governance token called SPS. Axie. Axie is a player v player, PvP horse racing game with a simple game model that is perfect for new P2E gamers. Players can buy NFT horses to race, breed, or rent out to other players. Gods Unchained. Gods Unchained is a collectible, fantasy, and trading card game built on the Ethereum network. It's free to play, easy to get started, and offers play-to-earn opportunities right out of the gate. How to get started in play-to-earn gaming? Play-to-earn gaming should start with research. Take some time to learn about the types of play-earn games and which ones seem fun to you. You may want to start with a game that is free to play, just to get the hang of it. If you decide to invest in a game, make sure you understand how the game works and how you can earn money. Then, you'll need to create a crypto wallet, buy cryptocurrency, and eventually buy NFTs. That's all for today. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like button, do comments about your best play to earn games, and do subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon.